So, moving, as many of you know, is one of the most stressful things, evidently, that you can do in life. And the reason I feel that it's as stressful as it is because it sets you back. Whatever you're doing or working on, it makes you very ungrounded if you let it. I'm kind of a pro at it, so I have different strategies that keep me grounded, but it's definitely a setback. It's like everything I was working on like 3 weeks ago has just kind of been put on hold. Been working on my own business, like very little. Now this week I'm able to get back in the swing of things a little bit, even though I'm still ungrounded without a home, and I need to really focus on finding my home because it's very important. Can't just, live out of a storage unit in my car. So I am going to get grounded again. We're going to find a home soon. I gave it a month. I'm like, I have to put a time limit on this shit. So pretty much gave myself a month last weekend to make it happen, because we have already been looking for months. And that didn't happen, so I had to give up my expensive home in Nevada City that was just putting me into debt and really wasn't working out. And now we have a couple prospects that we've applied to, and I will hopefully get a decision in the next few days. And then hopefully, although one of them isn't available to move into until June 1st, which is still over a month away. So that kind of sucks. I'd rather find something that's available to move into in the next week or two. But yeah, it's going to happen. You just have to trust. And that's the thing in life, and what I want to get to here that's really important for everybody to know is that it's vital to keep going in life is to trust in your higher self, the one that is with you all the time, your angels, your highest self, whatever you want to call the universe. You are connected, and keeping that perspective of the connection and that you have a friend with you at all times that's got your back and it's going to pull you through whatever the fuck you're going through is key to keeping going and staying positive. And I know sometimes it's hard to change the perspective, and I have tools that I could share with you that will help you. It's definitely herbal medicine that is here and that I use on a daily to help me get through this shit. That's like on a physical level, but it also helps me, on emotional and even a spiritual level, mental, everything, it's great. And I don't know what I would do without my herbs, without God's medicine that is here for us to use in times of stress and need and healing. And so, God, I'm fucking hot right now. I gotta take my jacket off. Okay, I'm gonna take my beanie off first. I'm like, oh, it's cold. No, it's not. It's a balmy, I like that word. It's a balmy 60 degrees. There's this DJ I used to listen to, I think on KVMR in Nevada City, and he would always say, it's a balmy whatever, like especially when it's probably certain temperatures, like in the 60s or 70s. But yeah, it's pretty warm right now. I'm going to take my jacket off here in a minute. And I'm going to pause.
gbóyè.